darlings, good morning. Hope you saw the first video. आपने सीखा होगा atomic number क्या है. Let us take one example. I am taking the example of oxygen and I am writing the number 8 here on the left lower side. What does 8 stand for? 8 stands for the atomic number. So we can also write Z is equal to 8. Now, if there are 8, what is this atomic number standing for? It stands for number of protons. Very good, you got the answer. Now, if there are 8 protons, tell me how many electrons will be there? Yes, number of electrons will also be 8. ये तो आपको पता ही है. How are the electrons distributed? That also you know. In the first shell there will be 2 electrons and in the second there will be 6. Okay, so there are 6 electrons in the second shell. Okay, we remember this. So oxygen, when the atomic number is 8, it has 8 protons and 8 electrons, of which 2 are in the first shell and 6 are in the second shell. But we know that हमने जितने भी बार पढ़े हैं अपने बुक में, we don't write as simply O, we write as O2. We write oxygen as O2. What is O2? What is the difference between O and O2? O is an atom, O2 is a molecule. When several atoms come together, we call them as molecule. When it is a single atom, we call it as an atom. बहुत सारे एटम साथ में आए तो we call them as molecules. Okay, so O2 is a molecule. Now, why does it form a molecule? That is what we are going to learn today. Why do atoms form molecules? Okay. Now remember, there is a rule which we know, which is called as the octet rule. Octet. The rule says, it's called octet rule. It says oct meaning 8. I want 8 in the last shell. Every atom says, I want 8 electrons in the last shell. So that is octet rule. It says, I want 8 electrons in the last shell. अब देखो ऑक्सीजन के पास कितने हैं? Oxygen has how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can it remain with 6? No. It says, I want 8. So what should it do? It should take 2 more electrons. It should take 2 more electrons to make it 8. That is the octet rule, and this is the reason why all atoms or almost all atoms prefer to form molecules. Okay, now another atom which we are very familiar with, sodium, atomic number 11. That means there are 11 protons and 11 electrons. Again distribution of electrons quickly bolo. First shell में 2 electrons, second में 8 and third में 1. I have written here 2, 8, 1. You can see in the picture also there are 2 in the first, 8 in the second and 1 in the last. अब रूल क्या कहता है? मुझे कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए लास्ट शेल में? मुझे 8 ही चाहिए. I need only 8 electrons in the last shell, but it has 1 electron extra in the last shell. So what it does is it throws away these electrons कि भाई हट जाओ, तुम्हारे जाने से मेरे पास 8 electrons हो गए. So you go out of my what you can say, go out of my sight. Okay, go out of my sight. मेरे नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. So it removes this 1 electron, and when this 1 electron goes, अब कितना है last shell? ये पूरा shell ही गायब हो जाएगा. The whole shell disappears when that 1 electron goes. So now tell me, how many electrons are there in the last shell when this 1 electron goes? There will be 8 electrons. Okay, there will be only 8, and हमको तो 8 ही चाहिए because the whole magic is of 8. So there will be 8 electrons in the last shell. And now let us take another example, that of chlorine, which has 17 as the atomic number, 17 protons and 17 electrons. फटाफट बताओ distribution 2, 8, 7. So last shell में कितना है? There are 7 electrons. अब 7 के 7 फेंक सकते हैं क्या 8 लेने के लिए? Can it throw away all the 7 so that in the second shell there will be only 8 electrons? No. It cannot throw 7. 7 तो बड़ा नंबर है. कोई भी अपना 7 बच्चों को तो बाहर नहीं फेंकेगा. So what it will do is, it will try to get 1 electron and therefore make it 8. So ultimately the rule is octet. मुझे 8 चाहिए, लास्ट में 8, या तो आई विल थ्रो अवे माई इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड मेक माई सेल्फ 8, और आई विल गेट एन इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड मेक माई सेल्फ 8. Okay, so that is how it is done. So when it is in the last shell, if there are less than 4 electrons, less than 4, यानी 1 electron है तो what will it do? Throw. 2 electrons in the last shell, throw. 3 electrons in the last shell, throw. Now what happens if I have, now look at this. This is aluminium. Al stands for aluminium. Aluminium in atomic number 13. 2, 8, 3. Last shell में कितने electrons है? 3. So when it is less than 4, what will it do? It will throw out. It will throw out this electron, this electron, this electron, and the whole shell will go. So now how many electrons in the last shell? 8 electrons. So that is the magic. The magic number is 8. It always want to have 8 electrons in the last shell. Okay. Let us go to another atom, nitrogen. The atomic number is 7. So you know the distribution is 2, 5. Second में 5 है. 5 यानी 4 से ज़्यादा है. So it will have to take electrons. 4 से कम है तो it will throw out. 4 से ज़्यादा है तो it will take in. How many electrons? Because हमको 8 चाहिए. It will take 3 more electrons. So is it clear? How the rule is applied? It is always 8 electrons. 4 से कम है तो throw out, and 4 से ज़्यादा है तो take in. Okay? हम फिर से सोडियम के पास जाते हैं. Once again, सोडियम एटॉमिक नंबर 11. 2, 8, 1 is the electronic distribution. Okay? तो लास्ट शेल में कितने हैं? 1. लास्ट में कितना होना चाहिए? 8. तो वो क्या करेगा? लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन को क्या करता है? फेंक देंगे. It will throw it out. तो इसको फेंक दिया, पूरा शेल ही खत्म हो गया. Now tell me how many protons are left. Number of protons तो same है 11. How many electrons are there? There are only 10 electrons now. 11 protons, 10 electron. Balance नहीं हो रहा है. Positive charge ज़्यादा है. There are 11 protons and only 10 electron. 11 proton, 10 electron. कौन सा ज़्यादा है? There are more number of protons. How many number of protons are more in excess? 1 proton is in excess. जो भी excess में होगा, that you will have to put as a sign on the atom. You will put a positive sign, one positive sign, because only 1 proton is excess as compared to number of electron. एक proton ज़्यादा है, तो एक positive charge डालना. So you can call it as sodium positive. और जब positive charge होगा, हम इसको बोलते हैं ion. पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा तो हम उसको बोलते हैं आयन. वी विल नॉट कॉल इट एज एटम नाउ. व्हाट विल यू कॉल इट? आयन. यू वोंट कॉल इट एज एटम. व्हाट विल यू कॉल इट? आयन. क्यों आयन? बिकॉज या तो पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव चार्ज. ओके. एंड जब पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो ये आयन को हम बोलते हैं कैटायन. सो नाउ इट इज सोडियम कैटायन. ओके. सो नाउ लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. क्लोरीन के पास जाते हैं. क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 17. So distribution is 2, 8, 7. लास्ट शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं? 7. ये 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन, we know that it cannot throw all the 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो it will take 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. हो सकता है कि सोडियम ने जो इलेक्ट्रॉन फेंक दिया वो क्लोरीन ने ले लिया. So now chlorine has got 17 protons and 18 electron. लास्ट शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है अभी? Because it took 1 from sodium, उसके पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? There are 8 electrons. When there are 8 electrons, it becomes 1 electron is excess as compared to number of protons. Now this is going to form Cl minus. Why minus? Because 1 electron is extra. जब 1 extra है, 1 negative charge. Okay? So Cl negative. This is also an ion. Cl negative is also an ion. It is not an atom now. It's an ion. And this ion, because it is negative, is called as anion. Okay, so chloride. We don't call it as chlorine. We call it as chloride. Chloride anion. Chloride. De. पहले chlorine था. Ne. Now it's become De. Chloride anion. Okay. अब हम जाते हैं अगेन एल्यूमिनियम के पास. Aluminium atomic number 13. That means there are 13 protons. How many electrons? 13 electrons. Distribution 2, 8, 3. तो लास्ट शेल में 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. What is the rule? It wants how many electrons? It wants 8 electrons. और अगर 8 चाहिए तो 4 से जब कम होता है it throws away all the 3 electrons. So now it will throw away these 3 electrons. When it throws away, remember वो पूरा shell ही गायब हो गया. It threw away all the 3 electrons. So now tell me, in aluminium, what is the number of protons? 13 protons, because protons तो change नहीं हो रहे. 13 protons है. How many electrons? It has thrown away 3. So it has now 10 electrons. 13 proton, 10 electron. How many extra protons as compared to electrons? There are 3 more protons. So now when I write aluminium, I will write An 3 positive, or I can write as An plus plus plus. Positive, 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 meaning there are 3 extra protons, 3 extra positive charge in aluminium. Is this called aluminium atom? No, it's called aluminium ion. Perfect. It's called aluminium ion. Or since it is positive, you will call it as cation. Since it is a positive ion, you will call it as a cation. Okay. Now let us go to the next table. ठीक है. Now we will go to nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number कितना है देखो? Atomic number 7. That means कितने protons है? 7 protons. How many electrons? Yes, correct. There are 7 electrons. Distribution of electrons क्या होगा? 2, 5. First shell में 2, second shell में 5. होने कितने चाहिए लास्ट शेल में? 8. है कितना? 5. अब जब 4 से ज़्यादा है, we already know वो फेंक नहीं सकता, उसको कहीं से 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेना पड़ेगा. So it will take 3 electrons. And अब उसका 8 हो गया. ऑक्टेट, इसको बोलते हैं ऑक्टेट. 8 हो गया तो क्या बोलते हैं? ऑक्टेट. ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हुए? यस. सो नाउ नाइट्रोजन का ऑक्टेट इज कंप्लीट. इट हैज गॉट 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके. नाउ टेल मी हाउ मेनी प्रोटॉन्स आर देयर इन नाइट्रोजन. वंस अगेन क्विकली, देयर आर 7 प्रोटॉन्स. हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर? देयर आर 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नाउ, क्योंकि उसने 3 एक्सेस में ले लिया. So there are 7 protons and 10 electron. कितना नेगेटिव चार्ज ज़्यादा हुआ? 3 नेगेटिव चार्जेस आर इन excess, क्योंकि 7 प्रोटॉन को 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए था. But now there are 10 electrons. So 3 are in excess. So what will I write now? I will write nitrogen 3 minus 3 negative. Okay, nitrogen 3 negative. Why negative? Because 3 electrons are in excess. और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का चार्ज क्या है? नेगेटिव. सो 3 नेगेटिव चार्जेस आर इन एक्सेस. सो इट बिकेम एन आयन नाउ. सो दिस इज नाइट्राइड आयन. जब भी नेगेटिव है वी कॉल इट एज आइड, नाइट्राइड. दिस हैज बिकम नाउ नाइट्राइड. जैसे क्लोरीन का क्लोराइड हो गया, नाइट्रोजन का नाइट्राइड. ओके. N-3 और N3-3 negative. And therefore, what do we call such negative ions? We call them as anion. So this is a nitrogen or nitride anion. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you very much. Let's stop here.